What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go over HLOOKUP, another great function. Going to do it quick, so let's jump on in. So we have our chart here. We've got a sales chart, we have countries. We need to look up what the cost of goods sold is because we know that the total sales amount here is not equal to the profit. We know nothing's free, so we have a table to reference. So if you've used VLOOKUP, it's pretty much the same thing, except instead of VLOOKUP trying to find something vertically and then going horizontally, this one is going to find something horizontally and go vertically. So it's just the same thing flipped around. So right here, if you have a table that's like this, great, you don't have to transpose it, you don't have to copy it, because VLOOKUP we would have to do something like that, and you'd have to go based on that, but we don't want to worry about it. We have the data we have. Equals HLOOKUP, and just like VLOOKUP, we're going to click what we want to look up, the country. So we click that, we add a comma, and then we're going to take our reference table right here, and instead of looking up columns, we're looking up rows. So we will select the whole thing. We're going to hit F4 on our keyboard, just so we add these dollar signs, so when we copy this down, this won't shift, it's going to stay rock solid. Comma, the row index number. The first row, so right here we've highlighted two rows, row 1, row 2. And it's not based on what these are, it's just relative to where you've gone here. So we want to find the first item here, we want to find the first row, and then we will show the value in the second row. So that's row 2. It's first, second, comma, and we'll just do false, exact match, because we want to find exactly what we're looking for. Close the parentheses, hit OK. Cost of goods sold, we hit that, we're looking up that value within here, and it's showing us the second row. Then we can copy this down, voila, there it is. Your functions will update, this will stay here, we'll just double check. So Germany, we have 558, Germany 558. Australia 205.84, Australia 205.84. There it is. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and if it is, share it with whoever may benefit from it. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks. I'll see you next time.